Hello there. I'm gonna Hello there. I'm gonna review something today, and it's a Rubik's Cube called the SpeedRipper by Creativeline. It's Amazon's choice, the best rated one there. It's not very high quality, but yeah. This is the Rubik's Cube I had before, but these two pieces are stuck together and it can't move. See, it's not moving. I have used this a bit. It's pretty good. It was $12 and something on Amazon. It's really worth like $5. But I mean, that's just because of COVID and stuff. But as you can see, I'm sorry, I'm only doing this with one hand. It moves smoothly. This is the fastest cube I've ever owned because I've only ever owned 2 of them, and I'm not very qualified on speaking about Rubik's Cubes. But I'm gonna do that anyway. I guess I'm gonna record a video of me solving it. I don't know, maybe. I guess that's what this is. I guess this is my transition. So I set up my phone on top of a tissue box, and hopefully that doesn't fall. So this is my Rubik's Cube. I'm just gonna mix it up real quick. And I'm gonna try to solve it. It's not gonna be very fast because, like, this is a weird angle to do it from. But just to show you how smoothly it turns. And to prove that I can actually solve a Rubik's Cube. Man, I talk a lot. There. Obviously this isn't my fastest time. My fastest time was 49 seconds. And that was with an insane speed cube. It was like $50. And it was my friend's. Because I am not committed enough to get that. But yeah. I think it's pretty good. It's not the best Rubik's Cube in the world. It's better than those like plastic ones, like with neon colors. I don't know how to explain them. Just looked up on Amazon. Just looked up a speed cube. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. I'd give it like 3.9 out of 5 stars. Because I don't want to give it a full 4, but I don't think it deserves a 3. So, 3.9. Pretty good. Good for beginners like me. Kind of beginners. Good for that. Not good for, like, professional competitions. The one review on Amazon was from a professional competitor, and they said they used this. But if you're looking for something more high-end, then don't get this. It's just a plastic thing. And that's all. And once again, this is the SpeedRipper by Creativeline. And look at this packaging. It's just so cool. Alright, peace. Bro. I don't know what I'm doing. Peace.